and subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome back to Story Time. This book is called Alpha Block by Christopher Francielli and art by Paschimo. A is for apple. Red apple. B is for balloons. I love balloons. C is for cookies. Cookies, yum. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. Bloop, bloop. G is for garden. I love gardening. H is for hammer. I is for ice cream. J is for juggler. K is for kite. L is for lemonade. Yummy. M is for moon. N is for nest. O is for octopus. P is for pencil. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for scissors. T is for train. U is for underwear. V is for violin. I used to play the violin. W is for web. Oh, that's a cool web. X is for X-ray. Ooh, that's a little spooky. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Fancy. Z is for Zoom. Thanks for following along today, guys. I'm so proud of you. Subscribe and like if you enjoyed. Bye.